How to boost a post on Facebook effectively here step by step on your PC or on Facebook account. For this, choose the right post to boost. Good organic engagement, a clear message or call to action, a link, offer or lead form of the next step. Post with videos, testimonials or limited time offers usually perform best. Click the boost post button, go to your Facebook page. Find the post you want to boost and then click on boost this post under it. Step 3 is set a goal that matches your objective. Choose a campaign goal that aligns with you or with all you want, like get more website visitors, get more leads, get more engagement, get more messages. If you want DMs, you can get it through this campaign of Facebook Ads Manager. Pro tip will be avoid automatic goals, choose your goals intentionally. Step 4 is define your target audience. Choose who sees or your ad or who watches it. So you can simply target an area like the custom audience, email list, or past visitors of your page that you want to simply make convert them to customers. Lookalike audience or manually choose age, gender, location, and interest. Narrow targeting higher quality leads. Step 5 is set your budget and the duration. Simply start with about $5 to $20 a day for testing. Run for 3 or 7 days. You can always extend the duration or increase the budget based on the performance. Step 6 is preview and publish. Double check your ad preview, especially mobile view. Make sure CTA button is relevant. Click boost this post now. From there, you will get an option. Step 7 will be track performance and optimize it. Check performance in Facebook Ads Manager. More detail than page insight. Key metrics to watch: CTR, that is click through rate, cost per click, and conversion. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.